guys, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, this is the last part of my 4-part series. Let's get into the video. Taking off the eyelash. Oh! Ooh! Alright, so I got the Morphe Hill Jaclyn Jaclyn Hill palette. Man, this should be like, I should know this by now. Like, I should know exactly what I'm gonna say. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the last palette from the Vault collection. And today's last palette I'm so good. Today's last palette is gonna be Dark Magic. This is what it looks like. It looks like the rest. Yeah. Plastic thingy. 10 beautiful shades. And a mirror. Wait. Makeup remover. Rag. Let's swatch. So before I swatch, I'm going to go ahead and read off the names. We got Poof, Power Cut, Trickery, Diversion, Potion, Busted, Inside Job, Mojo, and Temptress. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Poof. This is what Poof looks like. The shade was actually really creamy. That's actually a pretty shade. That's a pretty shade. So going into Power Cut. This is what Power Cut looks like. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a gray, metallic gray. This is what looks like. That is a pretty brown. That is a pretty brown. We're going into Trickery. Look at this green. You see that? Going into Diversion. This is what it looks like. Yes, hello. That's actually really pretty. Like, this is like brown with gray in it. Going into Potion. We're swatching Potion. This is what Potion looks like. Potion's a pretty color. Going into Busted. It's pretty. Oops, my nail took it right there. What am I going into? Mojo. Here's Mojo Jojo. Not really, but it's just called Mojo. Can't give me that name without saying Mojo Jojo. Wow. That was wow. And the last shade is Temptress. Yeah. Whoa. This? Wow. 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 I've never seen an eyeshadow look so pigmented like this. Like, look at how black this is. Like, oh my gosh. Let's swatch. My gosh. This can ruin your look real quick. Or it can make it look pretty. Like always, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my eyeball lid. I still haven't found my other, what is this called? Flat brush. So I'm still using the same flat brush from like all the videos. So yeah. I kind of want to go in for like a halo eye. Give me a second. Let me think. Okay. So let's go ahead into with the flat brush. And I'm going to go ahead and just apply this only in my upper crease. I'm going to go ahead and take my blending brush from e.l.f. and blend this out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do Busted. And I'm just gonna tap my e.l.f. crease brush in this blue. Here it's picked up. Wow, this blue. And we're gonna tap it in the corner of the edge of my eyelid corner. I'm gonna just pat this product in here, like so. This is such a pretty, oh my gosh, pretty color, pretty color. Do a little bit more, tap it off just a little bit, boop, boop. And I'm gonna just go ahead and blend it lightly going up. But not too much, because I just kind of want to like blend it more out here in the outer corner. But I'm not like really blending it. I'm just kind of more dragging it down. Go ahead and take the Sephora blending brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and just lightly blend this out. Today, we're going to go ahead and cut the eyelid. The eyelid, not the eye, but the eyelid. Taking the Glamouflage Concealer Heavy Duty in the shade Fair Beige. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this, going from the inner corner. And I'm going to go ahead and do a half cut crease. Going in with my sponges. And I am going to dip into Diversion over here. That's the color Diversion. Oh my god, it's like so pigmented. Go ahead and apply these. Boop, 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 boop. Ooh. This is applying very beautifully. BTW. I'm going to go ahead and use this shade and just cover up everything that we just cut. I'm going into Busted, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right back where we first put it, but I just want to go ahead and blend these two together so I just have like that seamless blend. I'm just kind of like slowly winging it out, but I'm going to go ahead and like clean it up. This actually doesn't look bad. It looks pretty dang good. Like, bam. I'm gonna just go in with this flat brush and grab the concealer that's on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this up. You guys know what time it is. It's eyeliner time, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this white eyeliner from NYX from NYX, and it's called White. This is what it looks like. If you guys didn't know, it's white. I don't know why, it just kind of looked blue. It's not blue, I can tell you that for a fact. It's not blue, it is white. It says it's white, it's white. Well, I say I'm Mexican and I still look white, so. Kat Von D. I have no idea what you put in this lipstick, but I need like all shades. Please. This is Neon. I don't know, this is super gorgeous. Hey guys, I'm back, and as you can see, the face is beat. Hello. Could have done a different lip. I don't know. Yeah, I feel like the lip is just like, I'm gonna go ahead and take my smudge brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Busted. Probably should have gone in with an angle brush instead of a smudge brush, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and use this angle brush, and I'm gonna pick up the shade Power Cut for the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the inner corner. Hello. Dang, this inner corner pigmented. I wonder if I have any blue highlighter. You know what, since we're already like with blue and gray and white, let's just add some blue highlighter, okay? So I'm taking the Aurora and the Beverly Hills, Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blue highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and take this e.l.f. blending brush, but it's gonna be my highlight blush today. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just go in there. You see that? It's blue. I'm gonna go ahead and tap it off. And I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on my highlight and just... I just feel like blue vibes today. Oh, there's no mirror here. I'm like looking at it like there's a mirror. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna take my Smashbox eyeliner in Fishnet and do my waterline, eyelining, tight lining. I'm gonna line my waterline. I think I said it correctly. Last but not least, some mascara. Taking my e.l.f. mascara. Time to spill. I really like Dark Magic. It's really pretty. The eyeshadow, I would never wear this eyeshadow unless I'm going out and there's gonna be more testing and everything, but you know, in this series all I'm doing is just a first impression / makeup tutorial kind of thing, and I just want to show you guys what's happening. Like, this is the first look I created with this eyeshadow palette. I didn't think I was gonna wear blue gray lips, but like I said, this video is just the first impressions. It's just me trying it out to see what it's gonna look like, what it's gonna be like. But obviously, like, I am gonna play around with all these palettes here, and I am going to like do more makeup tutorials. So if you guys want to see any more looks or something, let me know. And yeah, I'm really excited to be like playing around with this whole vault collection, and there's just so many different color schemes and everything. Alright guys, well, you know how I like it, so far this palette is a yes from me. So Fresa approves this. So 3 palettes out of 4. Yeah. Alright guys, till the next video. Bye!